The current and former police chiefs of Culpeper, Virginia, have invoked sovereign immunity in response to a lawsuit filed on behalf of the family of a 54-year-old woman who was killed by a troubled police officer whom they kept on the force despite a long-term record of misconduct. Former police officer Daniel Harmon Wright is currently serving a 3-year sentence for manslaughter in the death of Patricia Ann Cook, whom he shot without legal justification following what was described as an altercation in a Catholic school parking lot. Harmon Wright was hired in 2006 by the then Chief Dan Boring despite his chronic alcoholism, a poor personnel record, a police academy reprimand for lying, and numerous other incidents of misconduct. A month before he killed Cook, Harmon Wright was found guilty of using excessive force.
North Carolina resident Steve Cooksey used the so-called paleo diet approach to lose a huge amount of weight and apparently cure himself of type 2 diabetes, which is one of the nation's most serious public health problems. Cooksey started a blog to advertise the benefits of his approach and offer advice to others seeking to lose weight. The North Carolina Board of Dietetics Nutrition accused Cooksey of offering nutritional advice without a license and demanded that he make a significant substantive changes to his blog or face legal action. A federal district judge ruled that Cooksey had not suffered an injury to his right under the First Amendment. The Fourth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals reversed that decision, allowing Cooksey's lawsuit against the board to go forward.
An official audit of Colorado State Crime Laboratory found that the facility's supervisor would manipulate results of forensic tests in DUI cases to favor the prosecution. Cynthia Burbach, according to the review by the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, may have tampered with the tests or even lied about results under oath. Furthermore, according to Dan Schoen, executive director of the Colorado Criminal Defense Bar, county district attorneys may have known there's a problem with the state lab and still sat on it. The State Department of Health has suspended DUI blood alcohol testing by the lab.
2 prominent U.S. senators are demanding that Russia be made to pay a price for refusing to arrest and extradite NSA whistleblower Edward Snowden, describing Russian President Vladimir Putin as an old Colonel KGB apparatchik. Arizona Republican Senator John McCain accused him of setting the reset button on U.S.-Russian relations back to about 1955. New York Democrat Charles Schumer agrees that Russia should pay a price for doing what they did in refusing to hand over Snowden, who apparently remains marooned at a Moscow airport awaiting safe passage to Ecuador.